Have you ever stopped to wonder what really happened 66 million years ago? What sequence of events led to the extinction of the mighty dinosaurs, creatures who once dominated our planet? The answer, quite astonishingly, lies in a celestial event of cataclysmic proportions. The story begins in the calm of space, where an asteroid, roughly the size of a small city, hurtled towards their Earth. For millions of years, this chunk of rock had been on a collision course, and the dinosaurs, blissfully unaware, continued their reign on Earth. As the asteroid made its descent, it pierced the Earth's atmosphere, creating a shockwave that would have been felt around the globe. The impact was so immense that it caused an explosion with the energy of 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. This event, known as the Chicxulub impact, happened near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The immediate aftermath was devastating. The asteroid's impact blasted debris into the atmosphere, creating a dense cloud of dust and smoke that blocked out the sun. This led to a sudden drop in temperature, plunging the Earth into a long, dark winter. With the sun's light blocked, photosynthesis in plants dramatically decreased. This resulted in a domino effect, as the plants formed the base of the food chain. Herbivorous dinosaurs, who relied on these plants for sustenance, found their food sources dwindling. Carnivorous dinosaurs, in turn, faced a decline in their prey. The once thriving ecosystem was now on the brink of collapse. As the years rolled on, the cold and dark conditions persisted. The once lush and vibrant world of the dinosaurs gradually transformed into a barren wasteland. The dinosaurs, unable to adapt to these harsh conditions, began to die off. Over time, the dust and smoke in the atmosphere began to settle, and the sun's light slowly returned. But by then, it was too late for the dinosaurs. They had already unsucceeded to the prolonged darkness and cold. Their reign had come to a tragic end, marking one of the most significant mass extinctions in Earth's history. So to recap, the extinction of dinosaurs was a result of a series of events triggered by an asteroid impact. In the grand scheme of the universe, this story serves as a stark reminder of how even the mightiest can fall, and how life on Earth is intrinsically linked to the cosmic events unfolding in the depths of space. The extinction of the dinosaurs is not just a tale of their end, but also a tale of survival, resilience, and the ever-evolving story of life on Earth. Thanks for watching.